Horrible hygiene, horrible hygiene. This is a movie.
Larry Hoover, it will refund the game and never come back.
You got lucky, bitch. You got lucky, bitch.
Time to get $150 back from Steam, bitch.
You got lucky.
Hold on, look at this guy.
Horrible hygiene, horrible hygiene, dog shit hygiene. Dog shit hygiene, 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 dog shit hygiene. Dog shit, 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 pour, 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 dog shit, ugly, 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 loser, ugly, poor loser, ugly. Ah,
shit, man.
That's 257 and 0. You lost, I win. L.
Yo, man. Hey.
Jesus.
Stand up, man.
This guy, dude. Look, see? Look, this entire video, you see, is just lobby.
You got turbo gap.
No, I did not, man.
Like it's impossible to actually get a game going. But I mean, I think this is just edited.
Well, nah, bitch.
It looks better than this game that we just played. This is 22. It literally looks better.
xQc. You're doing something. Yo, my leg! Yo, my leg! No! Yo! Nah! This is... Yo, nah! Yo! Yo, let me out! Yo, let me out! Let me out! Yo!
No,
Nah! Yo! Yo! Nah! What'd you do to me?
Give me your leg.
What'd you do to me, bro? Nah! I got you choking out right now, bitch! I got you fucking tapping out right now, bitch!
No, you're not.
Goofy ass, you are such a goofy. I mean, I don't know how you're awake. I don't know how you're awake, actually.
He catches ball looking.
What's up, bitch? Boom, 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 boom. Bitch! What up, bitch? What up, bitch? Yo, real quiet, hush mode, bitch. What up, bitch? What up, bitch? I did you so foul, bitch.
Hi, xQc, can I get a welcome to the jungle, please?
You're actually kind of mad, too.